AWS Cloud9 is a cloud-based integrated development environment, IDE. You can write, run, and debug your code with just a browser. It includes a code editor, debugger, and terminal. Since your Cloud9 IDE is cloud-based, you can work on your projects from your office, home, or anywhere using an internet-connected machine. Cloud9 supports over 40 popular programming languages including Node.js, JavaScript, Python, PHP, Ruby, Go, C++, and more. AWS Cloud9 also integrates with AWS CodeStar, allowing you to quickly set up an end-to-end continuous delivery toolchain for your application and start releasing code faster on AWS. What are the benefits of Cloud9? AWS Cloud9 makes it easy for you to start new projects quickly. You do not need to install, configure files, SDKs, plugins, and match the production environment before you can start writing code. This enables you to start your project within minutes. Because Cloud9 is cloud-based, you can easily maintain multiple development environments to isolate your project's resources. Another benefit is that you can code with just a browser. AWS Cloud9 gives you the flexibility to run your development environment on a managed Amazon EC2 instance or any existing Linux server that supports SSH. The Cloud9 code editor and integrated debugger include helpful time-saving features such as code hinting, code completion, and step-through debugging. Cloud9 Terminal provides a browser-based shell experience, enabling you to install additional software, do a git push, or enter commands. AWS Cloud9 makes collaborating on code easy. You can code together in real time. You can share your development environment with your team in just a few clicks. You can see each other type in real time. You can also instantly chat with one another from within the IDE. AWS Cloud9 allows you to quickly run commands and directly access AWS services. It comes with a terminal that includes sudo privileges to the managed Amazon EC2 instance that is hosting your development environment and a pre-authenticated AWS command line interface. AWS Cloud9 also enables you to build serverless applications with ease. It pre-configures the development environment with all the SDKs, libraries, and plugins needed for serverless development. Cloud9 also enabling you to easily switch between local and remote execution of serverless applications. Cloud9 also provides an environment for locally testing and debugging AWS Lambda functions. This allows you to iterate on your code directly, saving you time and improving the quality of your code.